today we will be learning about the solution. Okay, so let's start with the components of a solution. Here, components of a solution. Components of a solution. Do you know a binary solution has two components? Anybody?
No, I don't know.
You don't know, Shazan? Binary solution. Binary solution means two. Binary means two. है ना? Binary solution has two components. Anyone? Shazan and Advika? What are they? No idea? Okay. So one is solute, another one is solvent. And what is solute and solvent? See, when a sugar is dissolved in water to prepare a sugar solution, for example, this is my beaker, this is water, and if I am dissolving a sugar, let's say this is my spoon, and I'm dissolving a sugar in the water, so sugar is called what? Solute, and water is called solvent. Solvent means, है ना? Because solute is in a very less amount which is dissolving. I am dissolving a sugar in a water or salt, we can say. That's why water is a solvent. Water is a medium in which sugar is dissolving. That's why sugar is called the solute and the water is called the solvent. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
In salt plus water, what is solute, Adram, here?
Ma'am, the solute is salt.
Yes. So
And the solvent will be water.
Solvent will be water. Yes. Now, okay, yes. Now, what is a solution? Solution can be of two types, the aqueous solution and the non-aqueous solution. Okay? Solution is of two types.
What is aqueous solution mean?
I'll tell. One is aqueous, another one is non-aqueous solution. So, what is aqueous solution? See, most of the substance are soluble in water. That's why our water is called the universal solvent, because sugar is dissolving in water, salt is dissolving in water, oil is also dissolving in water. Everything is dissolving in water. That's why water is called the universal solvent. Okay, universal and solvent is present in a big amount as compared to the solute.
Solute.
And see, all substance don't dissolve in water. All substance don't dissolve in water.
Oil doesn't dissolve in water, right?
No. Okay, see, water is called the universal solvent and all substance don't dissolve in water. Other solvents such as ether, benzene, alcohol are called like okay, wait. The ether, benzene, and alcohol are the substance that don't dissolve in water. Like all substance don't dissolve in water. So here the ether, benzene, and alcohol act as a solvent. Okay, water is a universal solvent. Everything is dissolving in water, but it's not like everything will dissolve in water. Some substance also dissolve in ether, benzene, and alcohol. So in this case, these three act as a solvent. Okay.
Okay, I got it.
A solution in which the water acts as a solvent. A solution in which water acts as a
solvent.
Water acts as a solvent. That is called aqueous solution. Okay, Arham? Solution in which water acts as a solvent is called aqueous, and a solution in which water does not act as a solvent is called a non-aqueous solution. A solution in which water acts as a solvent is called aqueous, and the other one in which any other liquid acts as a solvent is called a non-aqueous solution. Other than water is called non-aqueous solution. Okay, like example, any example of non-aqueous solution, anybody?
Maybe alcohol with sugar.
Alcohol with sugar. Alcohol is, yeah, correct. Also we can write iodine,
benzene and water.
Yes, iodine and sugar. And for aqueous solution we can write simple salt plus water, sugar plus water, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Salt plus water. Why? Because this is a solute which is dissolving in this water solvent. That's why water here is known as the aqueous solution, and other than water is known as the non-aqueous solution, like iodine in alcohol, not in sugar. Iodine in alcohol. Yes, because alcohol acts as a non-aqueous solution. Here the example: ether, benzene, and alcohol. Okay, so these are the non-aqueous solution. Now anybody tell me that, like, what is aqueous and non-aqueous solution?
Ma'am, aqua solution is like any solution that has water in it, like water and salt. But non-aqua solution
I
is
mean,
a
non-aqueous does not have water.
without have water, like
Ma'am,
Solid.
iodine in
water,
Huh.
like alcohol and
Benzene,
uh,
ether. Yes. Yes. A
Ma'am, what about
solution.
mercury?
What?
Ma'am, what about mercury?
Other than water, all are non-aqueous solution.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Solution in which only water acts as a solvent is known as a aqueous. Another other than that, all are the non-aqueous solution. Okay, so this point clear, and this is also clear that what is solute, what is solvent. Okay. Next, what now the types of solutions. Now the types of solution. So solution exists in three states: the solid, liquid, and gas.
yes, ma'am.
So there are 9 different types of binary solution. There are 9 different types of binary means this two binary solution, 9 different types of binary solution, but these are further classified into these 3 types only: the solid one, the liquid, and the another one is gas. Okay. Now we will talk about these 3 types of solutions only: the solid solution. Sorry,
Ma'am, how can you have solid solutions?
I'll tell. Solid solution, liquid solution, and gas solution. So what is solid solution? In these solutions, only solid act as a solvent. In these solution, only solid acts as solvent. Solvent is present in a very big amount. And I'll tell. And in this liquid solution, what it will be there? Okay, in these solutions, only liquid acts as a solvent. Okay, and in the gaseous solution, in these solution, only the gas will act as a solvent. Okay, now see. First, we will talk about the solid solution. First, we will talk about the solid solution. Now your point will be clear. See, first we will talk about the solid in solid solution. Then we will talk about the liquid in solid solution. Then gas in solid solution. And for this liquid one, we'll talk about the solid and liquid, the liquid and liquid.
That's why you're saying 9 types.
That's why it's saying a 9 types. Very good, Arham. Okay, so solid in solid solution. There are 9 types, but these are further classified into 3 types, and in each there are also 3 subtopics. And so 3 threes are 9.
9.
Yes. Solid and solid solution. So here, see, this is my alloy. Okay, solid and solid solution example is alloy. Why? Because here in alloy is a steel, and it consists of 98% iron and 1.5% copper. Okay, carbon. Both iron and carbon is a solid, and iron is present in a more amount. That's why iron is called a solvent, and carbon is present in only 1.5% of amount. That's why carbon is called as a solute, because solvent always present in a large amount as compared to the solute. And here the iron and the carbon both are solid. That's why this is the example of solid in solid solution. See, here iron is also a solid, carbon is also a solid, है ना? And alloy are what? Alloys are the homogeneous mixture of 2 or more metals, or a
Homo was when it was mixing together, right?
what?
Homo was like sugar with water, right?
Yes, the same phase.
Okay.
Alloys are homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, or a metal and a non-metal, or a metal and a non-metal. Okay, here iron is a metal or non-metal? Come on.
Iron is a metal.
And carbon?
Non-metal.
Yes. So So here, what is alloy? Alloy are the homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, metal, or metal or a non-metal. So here is a metal and a non-metal, because iron is a metal and a carbon is a non-metal. If we will take one more example, this one. This is a brass. Brass is made up of the zinc and copper. Both are what? Metals. Zinc is present in 20 to 35%, and this is present to 65 to 80%. Here both are metals, so this is also fulfilling the property of alloy. So now you got it, ki what is the example of solid in solid solution. Here you will take the example of only alloy, because alloy is only the solid in solid solution, because iron is also solid over here, carbon is also solid, and alloy is a mixture of two or more metals. So this is my one metal, iron is a metal and a carbon is a non-metal, and this is a solid in solid solution. Okay, everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Razi. Yeah. So now this is okay. So solid and solid solution done. What is the example, Razi?
Ma'am, example. Ma'am, example is iron and ma'am, carbon and iron.
Huh. Huh. Alloy?
Yes, ma'am, alloy.
Alloy is the simple example. Alloy is a steel
Alloy.
made up of two things. Made up of two things. Adam, which one is a metal and
Some non-metals.
huh. So metal is what? Iron, and non-metal is
Carbon.
Carbon.
carbon. And iron is a solvent or solute.
Ma'am, was it solvent?
Solvent, because iron is present in 98%, and this is only 1.5%. So more the number of percentage, so it will be solvent, and the less the number of percentage, then it will be solute. Okay, now next, solid and solid solution done. Now liquid and solid solution. Liquid in solid solution. What is liquid in solid solution? Can anybody, any hint, any idea about liquid and solid solution?
Ma'am, sugar and water.
Yes, sugar and water, salt and water. What we have to do here, we have to put water in salt, because liquid in solid. Solid is what? Salt is my solid, sugar is my solid, and liquid is what? Water. Liquid in solid means we have to put the water in salt or water in sugar. Means in salt, if we will add water, it means we are adding solid in liquid solution. Here we can write T in salt. If we add water, it means we are adding solid in liquid. And the example should be hydrated salts. Now, what is hydrated salts? Razi, what is hydrated salt? Yes, Arham. Yes, anybody? Arham.
It sounds like the salt which is like in water. Salt in water.
Yeah. Hydrated.
Hydrated.
Yes, hydrated means what? Hydrated means moisture. And moisture will come from where? Moisture will come from water. Right? Hydrated means moisture, and moisture will come from water. Okay, so the example of this part you understood, right? Like liquid and solid, we are dissolving, we are putting water in sugar. That's why liquid in solid solution. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Shazan, Advika, Arham, any doubt? What is liquid and solid solution, Arham?
Liquid and solid solution, like it's like salt and water, sugar and water, because you're adding a solid into a liquid, and like hydrated.
Not solid into a liquid, liquid into a solid.
So liquid into a solid. So like hydrated salts.
Are the example. Yes, Advika, are you saying something?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to give the example of hydrated salt.
Okay, give.
Ma'am, even I wanted to say hydrated salt.
Okay. Now what will be the next topic? Gas in solid solution. Any example of gas in solid solution? Any example?
I'm like dust in air.
Yes, kind of. See, let me show you guys. This is what gas in solid. So, example, foam, rubber, sponge, this thing. Okay. See, the gas in solid solution is.
Oh my god!
Now here,
Oh my god! It's because gas. When you have a sponge or something, now
Hmm.
it has gas in it
Yes, it has gas. Na
because of
sponge.
tiny tiny holes.
Tiny, tiny holes. Yes, very good. So the example should be this. See, here in solid and solid solution, can we say the gemstone? Gemstone is solid and solid, right? And the liquid and solid should be jelly. No?
No, ma'am.
No, no, it
Ma'am,
should be.
ma'am, I don't understand this part.
Ma'am, how is
How?
solid and solid gemstone?
Solid in solid. Their example was alloy. है ना? So this is the topic of actually a colloidal solution. Later I'll discuss. But as example, you can see the solid in solid is known as the, well, we can give the example of a gemstone, because gemstone is what? The outer covering is solid and the inner covering is also a solid. So we can say it like solid in solid solution. Advika, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? And liquid and solid is like cheese, butter, or jelly. Okay. Gas and solid is foam. Arham, you already got this point. Yes. Now, so will you tell me like this part, which one is the solvent and which one is the solute here? Gas in solid. So gas is solute or solid is solute. Which one is the solute and solvent? Anybody? Arham, no? Arham.
Gas and solid solutions form.
No, no. I'm asking what is solute and what is solvent here.
Oh, solute is solid, right?
Solute is solid.
Sorry, the more okay.
Okay, Razi, what is solute and solvent here?
I think it's gas.
It's gas. Okay,
Ma'am, the
let's.
solute is gas and the solvent is solid.
The solvent is solid. Because we are learning this topic now, the solid solution. And what is solid solution? In this solution, only the solid will act as a solvent. Okay, so in this solid and solid, this act as a solvent, this act as a solute. In liquid and solid, solid again act as a solvent, liquid acts as a solute. And this in gas and solid, so solid will act as a solvent and gas will be solute, because we are learning about the solid solution. And the solid solution, in solid solution, we only consider the solid as solvent. Okay, so what is gas and solid? Here we are trying to dissolve the gas in solid. Trying to dissolve the gas in solid. Like gases are adsorbed. What is adsorbed and what is absorbed? Any idea? Adsorb and absorb. Razi?
Ma'am, I have no idea.
No idea. Advika and Shazan, any idea? Advika?
Are they the same thing?
No.
Ma'am, even I am confused.
Yes,
I'm
confused.
not getting it.
What is adsorb and what is absorb? ADSORB and ABSORB.
Oh, ma'am, absorbed.
Absorb
Ma'am,
means-
absorbed is like ma'am, it gets absorbed in another object, as in it mixes with the other object, and
Yeah.
absorbs is that it, ma'am, it absorbs another object or it takes in another object.
What? Okay, the absorb one is correct, and the adsorbed is like na attach. Adsorbed is like attach. Means here, see, in the gas and solid solution, the gases are attached on the surface of the metal. Gases are adsorbed. Gases are adsorbed on the surface of the metal. And which kind of metal? Like the nickel, platinum, palladium. Here in the gases and solid, these are the solid because these are the metals, and here my gases are attached on the surface of the metals like the solid, the platinum, and the palladium. Now you understood what is adsorbed and absorb. Absorb means the gases will be absorbed in the surface of the metal, but here is adsorb means it will only attach in the surface of the metal. It will not get absorbed. Okay, Arham, no? Okay, Razi, Shazan, Advika.
Once more.
Yeah, ma'am, once more.
Okay, once more. See, the gases in solid solution is Here solid will act as a solvent and gas will act as a solute. And what we are trying to do here, we are trying to dissolve the gas in the solid solution. Now, how to dissolve the gas in the solid solution? By absorbing the gas on the surface of the metal. That's yes, Razi.
Ma'am, I think gases molecules are trapped in the solids.
What?
Ma'am, like gases molecules are trapped into solids.
Gases, that's what. The gases molecules are trapped in the solids. Means gases molecules are attached on the surface of the metals. And the metals like the nickel, palladium and platinum. That's how we can dissolve the gas in solid, by just attaching the gas surface on the metal. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Razi, you got it?
Yes,
Razi, will you explain, please?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like the molecules of gases attached on the surface of metals like nickel, platinum, and palladium.
Yeah, on the surface of the solid. And the solid is what? The nickel, palladium and platinum is a metal. Also, we can say it is a solid. So they are attached on the surface of the metal. That's how we try to dissolve the gas in a solid. Okay, everybody.
Okay, ma'am.
Shazan, Advika?
Yes,
Arham? No? Okay, next. Chalo. Next. Now, the solid solution is done. In solid solution, only the solid part is solvent. All other are solute. The solid is solute here, the liquid is solute here, and the gas is solute here. Now, in the now which part? Now the liquid solution. Now, in the liquid solution, only the liquid part will be the solvent, and the solid, liquid, and gas, all other will be the solute. See, now first we will discuss about the solid in liquid solution. Solid in liquid solution. Any example of solid in liquid solution? The very easiest one. Solid in liquid.
Ma'am, salt in water, sugar in water.
Yes. Yes.
I'm
Right.
solid in liquid, like what, like, you know,
Ma'am,
sugar
hydrochloric
and
acid
water.
inside mercury.
Yes. Only the thing is what we are doing here, the solid and liquid. Solid is what? My salt. Solid is my what?
So, ma'am,
Sugar.
HCl plus magnesium.
Oh, very high. HCl plus magnesium. Adham, understood this part? The solid in liquid. It's very easy. The simple example is salt plus water. This sugar plus water means we are adding the solid in my liquid.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, next one. Next one is liquid in liquid solution. The liquid in liquid solution. Now, what is liquid in liquid solution? And any example? Liquid in liquid solution. Here,
Ma'am,
my
Ma'am, HCl in mercury or water in oil.
Razi?
Ma'am, I was saying like sugar water and salt water.
Yeah, like alcohol and water also we can say.
Alcohol, water, what is that?
Because both are liquid here. Alcohol is also a liquid and water is also a liquid.
Ether and water.
What are them?
Ether and water.
Ether and water. Yes. So this part also understood? Liquid and liquid. This is solid and liquid. Now, gas and liquid. This example is the best example. Now, any example here? Gas and liquid.
Ma'am, water. Ma'am, water.
What?
Water.
Water?
Yes, ma'am, water.
Why water?
Ma'am, is it like you know, I think no, soda is not.
Soda, Coca-Cola, Pepsi.
Oh
है ना?
yeah, because it's carbonated with pressure. It just pressurized it. Okay.
Because if we open the bottle of the Coke, what happened? The gas come out.
The gas come out.
है ना? So
Pressure
gas
to shake it.
That's why here we call gas in liquid. Okay, understood? Yes.
Yes.
The gas, and which gas is here present? Which gas is present in
Ma'am,
Coke?
carbon dioxide.
Yes, the CO2, carbon dioxide gas. Okay, now this solid solution part done. Let's see this one for solid solution, and this one for liquid solution. Here will be the solid in liquid, so it will be salt and water. The liquid in liquid, it can be also milk, है ना? Because milk is also liquid, and if we add milk in water, then liquid in liquid solution. Okay, and here is the Coke for what? For gas in liquid solution. Okay, Got it? Now, next for the gas solution. And what is the gas solution? What is the definition of gas solution? Anybody? Come on, fast. Arham, gas solution, Razi, anybody?
Ma'am, only
Gas.
gas acts as solvent.
Gas?
Acts
Only
as
gas acts as
solvent.
a solvent.
Here only the gas will act as a solvent. All other three steps, the solid, liquid, and gas will act as a solute. This will act as a solvent. And in liquid, this will only act as a solvent. In solid, only the solid will act as a solvent. Now, what is what is solid in gas solution? Solid in gas solution. Now, any example? Solid in gas. So any example here, what we are doing? We are adding the solid in gas. So any example? Can we write iodine in air?
Ma'am, can you write smoke?
Yeah?
Ma'am, smoke.
Yes. Smoke also. See, very good. The smoke. Smoke is the example of the solid in liquid solution. So can we write na like iodine in air? We write the camphor in the air. This and this is solid. And air is what? Air is a gas.
Ma'am, what's iodine?
Iodine. Okay, what is iodine, Razi?
It's like a liquid that's brown in color.
Yes, Shazan.
Iodine is an element.
Yes, it's an element. And any definition of iodine?
Iodine is mostly found in salt.
Yes, salt, NaCl. In iodine, iodine is mustly present in the salt. Otherwise, if iodine is not present in the salt, then
And then we can't get the nutrients from the soil if there's no iodine.
and then we'll have one kind of disease also that called goiter. Yeah.
So I mean, your throat swells up.
Yeah, the throat here, it will be there. So in NaCl, iodine is present. That's why iodine is called as, iodine is referring here as a solid in air, means solid in gas solution. Now next, liquid in gas solution. Liquid in gas. Example, Arham, think and tell.
Ma'am, dry ice is the example for it.
It's like, dry ice also we can say, the liquid in gas. Dry ice, yes. And fog, clouds.
Yes, ma'am.
Fog.
Yes, because
It's water in the air.
it's water in the air, liquid, and in gas, fog, cloud. Now, the gas in gas solution. What is gas in gas solution? It's simple like air. For example, the oxygen plus nitrogen. This is the example of a gas in gas solution. Yes. Now, these three are done. Means the types of solution is done. The solid, liquid, and gas. Now, what is solid and solid? Any example? Come on first. Full 9 types of. Yes, Razi. What, Razi? Razi, your voice is not audible. Anybody? Solid and solid. Solid and solid solution example.
Ma'am, solid and an example of solid solution.
Solid in solid solution example. See here, I've told about alloy.
Hydrated. Ma'am, hydrated salt.
Alloy.
Hydrated salts is in liquid and solid solution.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's fine.
Solid.
Ma'am, alloys can't be it, ma'am, because isn't like alloy a liquid because it's heated?
Alloy is not a liquid.
Ma'am, but it's heated so that it melts, right? And then it's mixed.
Then it can. But here, this alloy consists of 2 things. It's a steel, consists of 2 things, the iron and the carbon. So the solid in solid solution example is alloy. In the liquid and solid is hydrated salts. What is the example of gas in solid? I'll not show. Come on fast, Advika, Shazan. Gas in solid.
Gas in solid.
Like nickel, platinum, palladium.
Yes, the gas in solid.
Platinum.
Yes, the platinum, nickel, palladium, because gases are attached on the surface of the metal. That's how we try to dissolve the gas in solid. Now next, what is the liquid solution? What is the solid in liquid example?
Ma'am, solid. Ma'am, can you repeat?
Solid in liquid.
Solid in liquid.
In liquid.
Ma'am, ice in water.
Solid. Yes, sir.
Solid in. Solid in.
Ma'am, can we say ice and water because, ma'am, ice and water because ice is.
Ice is solid.
Salt and water.
Salt water, sugar water, and what is liquid and liquid?
Ma'am, but is ice and water wrong?
We can say like ice in water, because if we will dissolve the ice in water, then what will happen? The ice will convert it into liquid just in a few seconds. But in salt and water,
Ma'am, but for salt and water also dissolves, right?
but yeah, but here we can say like the salt is having the different property and the water is having the different property. The solid, that ice and the water is having the both the same property, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Now liquid and liquid is liquid and liquid is, come on.
Alcohol and water.
Yes, alcohol and water. And the liquid and gas? Sorry, gas and liquid?
Ma'am, carbon and water, ma'am, ma'am, carbon, ma'am, Coca-Cola or any Sprite drink.
Any drink. Yes. Now, what is solid in gas?
Ma'am, water and gas?
Solid in gas solution.
Like
Solid.
smoke. Ma'am, smoke, iodine.
Ma'am, dust?
Smoke, dust. Yes, we can say. And now, what is liquid in gas? Liquid in gas?
Fog.
Yes.
Fog.
And what is gas in gas? The normal
Gas
oxygen plus
was,
nitrogen.
what's that?
It's air now. The gas and gas, oxygen, nitrogen.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Methane, gas and gas.
What?
Is methane?
What?
Is methane.
Methane also we can say. All the types of gas, the gas and gas solution. Okay. Shazan, got it?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will learn about the so this is what, let's go through this notes also. What is solvent? Solvent you already know, usually present in the large amount like water. And what is solute? Solute is always solute is always present in a lesser amount. Okay. And what is the aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution?
Aqueous solution is like a solution with water. A non-aqueous solution is a solution without water.
Yes, very good. Now we will learn about the concentration of solution. Concentration of solution. So solution is a mixture of what? Solution is a mixture of solute plus solvent. If we will mix a salt in the water, it will become one solution, right? The solute plus solvent gives us solution. Example, salt plus water will give us a solution. One solution, it will be there. It will be one phase. So there are different ways of expressing. Like here, so this is the concentration of solution. What is the concentration of solution? The concentration of solution is the amount of solute present in the given amount, and the solute is present and also the solvent is present in the given amount. Solute plus solvent is solution. Now here I'll talk about this later, the saturated and the unsaturated solution, because it's a very long topic and it's already 42. Let's go through this. Expressing the concentration of solution. These are the three methods to express the concentration of solution. First is mass by mass percentage. Second is mass by volume percentage. And the third one is volume by volume percentage. Mass by mass, mass by volume, and the volume by volume. Now this you have to learn a little bit. Okay. These three formulas, like mass by mass is what? Mass of solute, and mass of, okay, wait. See, here let me make it easy for you guys to learn. Salt plus water is solution. Means this is my solute and this is my solvent. So in the mass by mass, what is this? Mass of solute means mass of salt by mass of solution into 100. So mass by mass is solute by solution. Means salt by solution also you can learn. Salt by solution, and in mass by volume we can say the mass of mass by volume. That's why in the numerator there will be mass and in the denominator there will be the volume. So mass of solute by volume of solution, the same formula, only the mass by volume is here and there is the mass by mass. Now this one is the volume by volume. you have to write in the numerator and the denominator both volume and the volume of solute and the volume of solution. So now it become easier for you. All in the numerator everywhere is solute, in the denominator everywhere is solution. Only the thing is changing, like mass by mass, mass by volume, and the volume by volume. Okay, so now Shazan will tell me what is the what is the formula of mass by volume. Mass by volume. Come on. Mass by volume, this formula.
Ma'am, mass of solute upon volume of solution.
Volume of?
Volume of solution.
Yes, very good. Volume of solution into 100.
Yes, ma'am, at 200.
Now, what is volume by volume?
Ma'am, one volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100.
Yes, very good. So easy. Volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. Only this part is changing. Oh, sorry, 100. Yes, only this part is changing, like here mass by. Now, what is mass by mass?
Mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100.
Yes, very good. Mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Mass of solution into 100. Now let's quickly do this example. Here let's say the solution contains 50 gram of common salt in 450 gram of water. So you have to calculate the concentration of solution. So what is the concentration of solution? Concentration means the mass by mass. Concentration is what? We have to find here mass by mass. And what is mass by mass? You already know the mass of solute. Solute is always present in the lesser quantity. So solute will be this part. Yes, Arham? And what? Okay, see. Solute is always present in the, where should I write? Let me write here, yeah. Solute is always present in the lesser quantity. That's why solute is here 50 gram. And what is the formula of mass by mass? Mass by solute by mass by mass of solution. And what is solution? Solution is the addition of both the solute plus solvent. So here what we can write, here my solute is 50 gram and my solvent is 450 gram, means my solution will be 500 gram. So it will be 50 by 500 into 100. So it will be this and then 10. Only 10% mass by mass percentage. Okay? Does you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
It's easy. Now, the last example, 4 gram of a solute. Now this you guys will do. Come on quickly. 4 gram of solute is dissolved in 40 gram of water to form a saturated solution. Calculate the solubility of the solute. Chalo, calculate. Arham, you also calculate. Arham, you got this example? Shazan and Razi will tell me the percentage of this example.
Get it, ma'am.
What, Arham?
I couldn't get it.
This part you didn't get, the example 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Here what is there? The solution contains 50 grams of common salt. 50 gram means the lesser amount. Lesser amount is only the solute. Okay. And this is what 450 gram. And what we have to calculate the concentration. Concentration is always the mass by mass. Means the mass of solute which is present in the lesser quantity means is 50 gram upon the solution. Solution means the addition of both the solvent and the solution. Here my solute is this because it's a lesser quantity, and here my solvent is 450 gram. We have to add it. We'll get this. Now the formula of mass by mass is mass of solute. My solute is 50 gram. Mass of solution. Solution is the addition of the solute and solvent. Now we'll add it and we'll get a 10% mass by mass percentage. Now
You're going too fast.
what?
What is the answer? 50 gram.
Now it's 10 gram.
Yes, no. Okay, yeah, I got 10 gram and I accidentally added my 40 plus 10. No.
Okay, no issue. Yeah. Okay.